Hi, all my beautiful souls, all my beautiful kings and queens. Today's video is about how far they will go with third party. This is for third party, those who are in third party connection. If you are not in third party connection, this video is not for you. This video is in English if you are my Hindi channel subscriber, so you can actually wait for this reading. I would do this reading after 1 or 2 days. So how far they will go with the third party. So there are three choices I'm reading for. This is amethyst, mahogany, and peach moonstone. Amethyst, mahogany, and peach moonstone. Thanks Kanika and thanks Sui Mai, because they are the one. I was little scared to make English videos because I know my mother tongue is not English, and then also I was trying to make English videos because there were so many requests. They said, "Ma'am, you must make English videos. We don't understand Hindi." And then I was scared, and yesterday when I made my English video, then Sui Mai and then Kanika, and there are a few more people, they appreciated me. Some people, they WhatsApp me saying that your English is quite good, we are happy. Even some said, I don't know, should I take it compliments or not, but should I take it as compliment? Probably it can be compliment or insult, but they say that your English is better than Hindi, so I am making this English video. So how far they will go with the third party? So they means your boyfriend, girlfriend, companion, and partner. How far they will go with this third party? So there are three choices. You can close your eyes, pause the video for 30 seconds, and think about your partner and choose one option. Let me start with amethyst quickly. Before I would start with amethyst, I would let you know about me. That's about me. If you want to hear, you can listen to that. If you don't want, then you can skip. But this is for those who are new to my channel. First of all, thank you for subscribing my channels. Thank you. I am thanking you all the time for subscribing, liking, and commenting on my channel. I know I don't have much subscriber in this channel, but I believe that's okay because I always I always follow the truth path, and I don't mind if I have less subscriber, but I would tell the truth. Even that then the reading is negative, I'll tell negative. If it is positive or affirmative, then I'll tell affirmative things. So forgive me for that. Starting with me, I am a psychic medium. I am a tarot card reader. I do tarot card reading intuitively. I have studied from University of Edinburgh, Scotland, on divine spirituality, bachelor's on divine spirituality, and then I have completed my Karuna Reiki and Ushishui Reiki. I am Karuna Reiki, Ushishui Reiki master from 2006. I am practicing Reiki since last 14 years. I do healing for relationship, business, career, and job. Also in education, that helps you to enhance your within yourself, your chakra, balance your chakra, and also in relationship, connecting both of their heart chakra, the person and their boyfriend, girlfriend, companion, partner, and connecting their aura. So in that way I do healing, and this is called energy healing. Reiki is a part of energy healing. In cosmic healing, I know Kabbalah technique, so that's a technique. I am a Kabbalah expert. I studied Kabbalah from Jerusalem for 2 years. I stayed there, and then I have a background, a Jewish background, so I stayed there for 2 years, and then I studied from there. Thanks to my rabbi, thanks to my master, that he taught me everything about Kabbalah. And I would not say that I am the most famous Kabbalist in the world or something like that. There are many other Kabbalists in the world, but I am one of the expert. And my Guruji was obviously one of the most famous Kabbalist in the world. Okay, now about something else. Like if you want to know about tarot, I'm practicing tarot since last 8 years, and it's been 8 years. I'm practicing tarot and doing tarot card reading. I started tarot from Academy of Tarot India, level 1, level 2, level 3, A plus grade student. I think I told about myself enough, and I do vision reading for those who are Passover, those who are in missing, like those who are missing since long time, many years, or you want to know about your past life. I do vision reading. So quickly start the reading. That is amethyst. Amethyst. Universe, please help. Give the right card. Those who choose amethyst, how far they will go with the third party connection. What all I can I say? This is like the person you are in love with. They left you because of third party. Definitely, if they left you 5 weeks or 5 months back. So five. When I talk about 5 months, I think month of October or November they left you, or no, not October, no, November or December they left you, or they left you 5 weeks back, and they are in separation, and they are in separation just because they had somebody else. They found a new love above you, and that is why they left. But this love is for, it's not permanent, it's just for few months, few days, and it would be good. The person they love, that person looks like their colleague, the office colleague, or their office boss, or somebody who, like, if your partner is doing business, or they are in business, they are business professional, then they have somebody, this person would be their client or customer. So they have relationship with them, but the same time they have a fear to lose that person. So the person they are in love with don't look like they are like satisfied with that person's behavior, because this person is definitely has somebody else. The third party has some, definitely has somebody else in their life, and they are with the time, like probably 8 to 9 months time or 10 months time. With time, this person will slowly and gradually reveal about their third party's connections. Their third party is confused about them. You guys are in Sun Moon Rising, Aries, Leo, and Saggy, and Cancer, Scorpion, and Piscean. Aries, Leo, Saggy, Cancer, Scorpion, and Piscean, and Aquarian. And here I'm seeing that this third party is kind of what to say. This third party is confused about your boyfriend, girlfriend, companion, and partner. They did not take decision yet, and your partner is. They sometimes fight with each other. They had a major fight couple of weeks back or couple of days back, and even though this is a new connection, your partner doesn't get that satisfaction what they used to get from you. They have lots of passionate relationship. Looks like they have good sexual relationship. They are obsessed about each other, sexual relationship. But this guy, this person, this third party is confused about your partner. They cannot take decision about this person, and they have a fear to lose this third party. your partner, boyfriend, girlfriend, companion, or partner has fear. They have fear. They think that they will lose this third party anytime. They are actually trying to get some strength within themselves to handle the situation. They are unable to handle the situation. Sometimes there are like conflicts, and they fight a lot. They fight in such a way that they feel that there must be a separation, and after sometimes they come back to each other because they are obsessed about each other. They are sexually obsessed about each other. Where I see still till now, till the date, your partner, your boyfriend, girlfriend, companion thinks that you are a lovely woman. You used to love them a lot. You used to give them lots of love, lots of loyalty was there when they were with you. With time, this person will definitely talk to you. I'm not sure how that will go when they will come back to you. They would like to continue with you forever, or they would like to commit you, or they will uh, they will drop you even after some times. That I cannot assure you now, because this will happen only after 10 months, almost 10 months, 10 to 11 months. Looks like it may happen on 2021, starting of 2021. They will start talking to you. They will start sharing their relationship status with you. They would let you know that this third party and they are not a good fit, good match. But that will not happen now, because now, even though they have this third party and your boyfriend, girlfriend, companion, partner, they fight a lot. Even they have conflicts within the relationship. They do not want to come out from this relationship. They get back to each other again because they are sexually obsessed about each other. But at the same time, they sometimes in fear, they sometimes lost their sleep. They lose their mind and they lose their sleep for this third party. This is a limbo situation. This guy is in a limbo situation. Looks like a loop-headed person, idiomatic or idiotic person, because they cannot take decision either for you or either for them. Your or your boyfriend, girlfriend, partner's date of birth would be number 6, 29, 22, number 30, number 1 and 10, number 5, number 4, and number 8, number 18, number 23 and 14, number 22, number 26 and 17. So your birthday will be within this 28 and number 10. So either your birthday or your partner's birthday would match. If the date of birth is not matching with this numbers, then you can take zodiac sign in consideration. This person is very confused. They are fighting with this third party. There are lots of conflicts, but at the same time they are so much obsessed about them. They are losing their hope. They are losing their sleep over them, and they have fear that they will lose this third party. And this third party is very confused about him, because of course, because of his or her behavior. This is all about sexual relationship. They are so obsessed about this third party. But at the same time, they sometimes feel that you were so loving, so kind hearted, and they miss you, and they think about you, and they are coming back to you on 2021, starting probably on month of March or February. And by that time they will come back to you, and they will share their feelings with you, and they will also let you know why they have left you, and what is happening with the third party, with this third party. So this third party connection, no, it's not going so far, because it's going to be end. There will be an end within this year or the starting of 2021. Let's see those who choose peach moonstone. How far their relationship will go with this third party. Universe, please help. Give the right card for those who choose Peach Moonstone. Universe, please help. Give the right card for those who choose Peach Moonstone. Universe, please help. Give the right card for those who choose Peach Moonstone. You were in grief, you were in pain for this man or woman. You have gone through lots of issues, but it's too late to apologize. Have you heard that song? It's too late to apologize. So, this is the situation over here. Actually, your spiritual awakening has, like, you are awakened spiritually, and this person cannot come back to you. Even this third party is not able, would not be able to come back to you. You guys are in Sun Moon Rising, definitely Taurus and Cancer, Scorpion, and Piscean, and Aries, Leo, Saggy. Aries, Leo, Saggy, Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean, and Taurus, and Libra. Taurus and Libra. So that's your zodiac sign in Sun Moon Rising. Your or your partner's date of birth would be 11, or the first day you met, probably that is 11, 7, 4, number 2, and number 18, and number 8, number 5, 15, and number 20, number 2, number 23 and 14, number 26 and 17, number 9 and number 28 and 30. So within these dates, and if these numbers are not matching with your date of birth, you can match with the zodiac sign. You can consider this zodiac sign. So they will definitely come back to you, and within 4 months they will contact back, and they are coming very fast. But you have gone through an immense grief, lots of sadness, physical illness, physical sickness, mental illness, just because of this man or woman, your boyfriend, girlfriend, companion, and partner. They already left third party. They are not with third party now. They actually they got so much of courage. They they took a courageous step, and they have to have so much courage to leave this third party, but they actually took decision for you. They left this third party 2 weeks back. You are probably not aware of that. It would be either 2 days or 2 weeks back they left this third party, and their third party's connection is end. Their connection with third party is already ended. But they why they left, you will ask why they left. Because they got, even like you, they are also spiritually awakened. So their awakeness happened, and then they left this third party. That's just 2 weeks back or 2 days back. And they have also gone through lots of pain since last 4 5 weeks. But you were in pain in last 8 months, almost 7 to 8 months, and you have taken lots of shit from them. And this is your time that universe has set up a time to make you free. So you are free now. You are a free spirit. Your all healing has been done by universe, and you have great power within yourself now. You actually do not need this person to come back to you. Even this person comes back to you after 4 months, you are going to say no to them. This person is willing to commit you now, and they will definitely ask you for marriage or engagement. They'll come with the proposal, marriage proposal or engagement proposal. But what I am feeling here and seeing here, you are going to say no to them because you have gone through literally a hard time. It's like a real time drama happen in your life just because of this man or woman. This person has given you a real hard time, and you don't want that things to continue. So you are going to say them no here. But if coming back to the main subject, that how far they will go with the third party, no, they are not with this third party anymore. they left they left this third party, and they that is 2 weeks back they left this third party, and they want to come back to you, and they definitely will come back to you. They are gathering their power within themselves to come back to you and to approach. They are thinking how to approach you, what to say, that oh yes, coming with the flower vase, or they're just waiting for your birthday to come, and they will just suddenly appear in front of you, that hey, happy birthday or something like that. They're planning something for you so they can enter in your life. Why these things happen, why they left third party, because they are spiritually awakened now. But even you are also spiritually awakened, and you are spiritually awakened in such a level that you can actually leave their spirit, and you can live for yourself. You are aware of your consciousness, that is inside constitute inside spirit, and you are in such a deep level of you reach to a certain level of spirituality that you do not need anybody to satisfy yourself. You were after him for a long long time, but now you don't want that person. You are in deep spiritual level. So it's a very different story. Looks like a twin flame journey. Probably you guys are in twin flame journey. Let me see if you are in twin flame journey or not. The other person is their spiritual awakeness happened just few weeks back, 5 weeks back. They are spiritually awakened. They know that you are their true soulmate. They are going to come back to you. But here I'm seeing you are a true spiritual person now, and you are going to let go them. So I just want to see universe. I want to see, are these guys a twin flame, twin soul, or this is just like that. No, you guys are not twin flame, twin soul. Definitely not. But you have gone above your karma, and it's a nice thing to know that universe has helped you to heal. So you have gone above your karma, and now you don't need this person back. Nice guys. I never expected to some people are in such a deep spiritual level that they can do these things. So this is a big thing. Now for those who choose mahogany, let's see how far they will go with this third party. how far they will go with this third party. Very different story. um I would tell your zodiac sign, that is sun moon rising. You are Aries, Leo, and Saggy, and Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, and Capricorn and Aquarian. Capricorn, Aquarian, Aries, Leo, Saggy, Cancer, Scorpion, and Piscean, and Taurus. So that's your energy. Your name would be starting with your, or your partner's name would start with K, D, N, S, G, H, O, M, T, L, B, I, U, F. So within this, but I'm seeing on your card, like this man, this woman is obsessed about you. um, they are obsessed about you. They have no control on their emotion when they are with you, especially their sexual obsession is too high. They are kind of in a limbo situation here. Third party is not an woman or not a man. Here this third party is basically their family. Their family is basically their family is against your and his or her relationship, and they don't want you both to be together, and there are some conflicts within the family, and then this person thought to leave you forever, and they left you, and you were there were lots of conflicts, like tower card. So ultimate tower card, that means there were lots of conflicts. He got confused, he left, and he left from your life, and then you were in pain, and you used to love him or her like like a mother or sister or brother or father. So you used to take care of them a lot. They left you. There were a new connection in their aura or in their life. Like it's just been 1 or 2 months, but they are unable to adjust with them. They keep thinking about you. You are not. You are in their head, and they cannot get rid of your thought. So now they have decided to return to you, but there are conflicts. So the family and friends, they don't like you, and still they are somewhere in their mind. They are so obsessed about you. Basically, sexual obsession is so high. They lose their sleep over you, and they think that they continuously thinking about you, but they cannot come. So the conclusion here, he or she is not going to come to you. At the same time, he or she cannot give up with this thought that they are into you, and you are continuously in their mind. So here, no conclusion, um, no result is coming up. Like they are neither going to accept the person whom their family choose for them, and neither they are going to accept the person accept you. So they are going to be in a limbo situation all the time. They're hanging in between, and they are going to hang in between for a long time. It would be something like a year or two they will be in this situation. So they will not choose the person their family will choose, and they neither they will choose you, because they will not choose you over their family. So these things are because of family and friends, or their community or religion things. This third party is different. This third party is not a human. So what to say, in this age also there are some people, those who consider caste over love, and we cannot help out the situation. So this is what about your third party's connection. This is a confusion story, and I know you guys are already confused what is this. They are not going to choose the person, their family will choose for them, and they are not going to go for that person, neither they will go for you. So they will be in that hanging situation, in between limbo situation, for a long time. So that's about this reading Mahogany. So here no conclusion, no decision may be made for another 1 year, 2 years. So you have to wait for a long time when this person's obsession become too high, and then they come back to you. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hereafter I will try to make at least 3 to 4 English videos in a week, and keep watching my English videos, Hindi videos. Thank you and have a blessed day. Take care.